Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another video. So today we're doing a limited edition popcorn. It's not the one from the hot chocolate one, from the other one from Boom Chica Pop. No, this is going to be a different popcorn. Actually, I saw this the other day, and it's from Smartfood popcorn. It's a limited edition for Christmas. Yeah, it's November. We're nearly halfway towards Thanksgiving, like in a couple of weeks, but more of that later. Today we're doing limited edition Captain Crunch Berries Mary Berry Popcorn Mix. Captain Crunch is like my second to first favorite cereal. The first one's always going to be Apple Jacks, and it does have a description. Deck the house with Mary Berry popcorn and Captain Crunch Berries. Air pop popcorn tossed with berry seasoning and mixed with the merriest Captain Crunch berries. Your very favorite crunchy sweet treat this season. Without further ado, let's open. I gotta shake it. Oh, I can actually smell the Captain Crunch. Oh, so it's like part of the cereal. Alright, the Captain Crunch berries. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a popcorn and grab one of the berries, and we're gonna review them both. They're hard to grab. We got the Mary Berry berries and the Smart popcorn. So without further ado, let's try them out. I got these at Walgreens for like $2. Whoa. I don't know, but this is actually a good combination. Oh, this is a good combination. And what I get is actually healthy popcorn because it only has like $2.80 for the bag. Wow. I gotta shake them because some of them little pieces of the berries are actually settling. I'll give this a perfect 10, honestly. It's my favorite popcorn actually too. Smart and Boom Chica Pop. And with my favorite cereal. What's more to ask? But that'll be it for the rest of the video. If you enjoyed it, please share and like, and share with your friends. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time on my next video. Peace.